Hi there, students. Whither, whither. Okay, this is an adverb. It means to what place. So, whither are you going? Now, notice this is very old-fashioned. Yeah, whither are they walking? To where are they walking? Or a conjunction. To which specific place? To which position? Or to whatever place. I'm thinking of this phrase, whither goest thou? Yeah, to where are you going? Yeah, or whither thou goest. To whichever place that you go. Okay, whither. Whither is the opposite of whence. Now, I just made a video about whence, and that's what stimulated to make this video. Whence means from where, and whither means to where. Okay, notice, do not confuse this word with whither without an H, meaning to shrink, to become small, to dry up. Yeah, the plant's withered in the heat without water. Yeah, and that's with no H. Okay, but whither, to what place, to what purpose? Whither are you doing that? To what purpose are you doing that? Now, I think this word is probably not used anymore. You will find it in old-fashioned literature. I saw an example recently in Daniel Defoe, for example. Yeah. Whence it comes, whither it goes. Where does it come from? Where is it going to? Okay, so whither, to where, to which place? Yeah. Whither are the government trying to get with their new policy? Okay, so to what place, to which place? To what state? Whither are our lives bound? To where are our lives going? Okay, so yes, to which place? I set the picnic up in the middle of the park. Whither my girlfriend would later arrive. To which place? I think very often with this, I want to add to whither as well. And again, the to is it's not necessary. It's tautology. So whither? To what place? To what situation? Whither will these difficult conditions drive him? Yeah. He knew not whither to go. You see, I'm already going, he knew not. You'd want to say he didn't go. To which place? To what place? Notice you've actually even got a word, whithersoever. To whichever place. Whithersoever you go, you will be happy. Yeah? Whithersoever you arrive, you will need to be able to look after yourself. Yeah? To wheresoever, to whatever place, whithersoever. And we are really getting way up on the formality scale. Okay, it's archaic, incredibly formal. It would sound good in a poem, yeah, or in a literary sense. I guess I could say to my friend, whither are you going? But here I'm joking. I want to give a sense of old-fashioned English. Yeah, if I used that seriously, he'd look and say, what? Yeah, he would probably understand it, but it wouldn't be appropriate for a situation like that. So whither, to which place? Yeah, whither goest thou? Where are you going? whither thou goest, wherever you go. So notice I changed the word order, and it changes the meaning. He has wandered all over the world, and now he lives in Asia. To whither he arrives by accident. Take out the to. Whither he arrived by accident. Yeah, you don't need the to. Whither he arrived. Okay, so formality. Whither. If I gave hence a 9, I'm going to give whither. I think I'm going to give it a 10. This is very formal. Although I'm tempted to give it a 9.5, because whithersoever, that's got to be a 10 in formality. So these are maximum formality words. And okay, as to origin, there's an Old English word, whither, which I think means to which place, yeah, to where, yeah, or just where. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Whither, whithersoever.